Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Adri or Adrian, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some quick little hairstyles you can do when you don't know what to do with your hair after you just straightened it as a curly head. Yeah, because me being a natural curly head with big hair, like when I did this I was like, what the hell am I going to do with this? It's flats and it's kind of boring, so it's like, let's spice it up. I don't just want to wear it down. So you like, comment, and subscribe, and without further ado, let's get into the hairstyles. I quickly just wanted to mention, because I'm just doing these little hairstyles for the sake of the video, I am not using any wax or gel, absolutely no products involved, just because like I'm just doing it for the sake of the video. Like, why would I get my hair all dirty and this for this little video? No, thank you.
Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it. Baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't want to leave. You know, I wouldn't want to bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Now, I can't lie, for these heart little buns, I haven't done this hairstyle in years, and it's like I could do it so much better, but spare me, okay? Spare me.
At last, to my body, so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it. Baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over, tasted and call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dead. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke. Now we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I hate, but I don't want you. Baby, I just want you to give. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me?
Sneeze all over my fucking self.
Body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up your phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay.
Not my cup of tea personally, so I'm just like adjusting it and giving it more personality. Yeah, like a peacock. Yeah. Anyways, bye.